Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session, children, where we were learning about the religion and society during early times. Children, we learnt about the ashramams and the rishis and sages and how they had text these Upanishads of their experiences. And later we tried to understand about wanderers. Wanderers means एक जगह पे नहीं रुकते वो लोग, one village से और एक village को they move and they try to find out truth, okay, answers for their questions, and they are called as Parivarajakas. And these Parivarajakas, some of the famous Parivarajakas also we have seen, like Mahavira, who is the founder of Jainism, okay, Vardhaman Mahavira, and even Gautama Buddha, the founder of Buddhism. And let us see what kind of answers, okay, what answer they tried to find out for which question in their entire lifetime. Let us try to understand in the life history of Mahavira and even in the Buddha's Charita. So how can one attain liberation from the cycle of birth and death? As it was already told that it is a cycle, okay, every dead person will again take a life. The thing which is not indestructible, that which cannot be destructible, okay, is the Atma, or we called it as a Brahman. So when we have got this knowledge of indestructible thing, so in order to avoid this rebirth and even the life, the cycle of birth and death, how can the Atma can attain the salvation? Mukti was a big question to which Mahavira tried to find the answer. So actually Mahavira was born in a Ganga Sangha, because previously the people used to live in Sangha. Sangha means group, okay. So in Ganga Sangha, and he left his family and home at the age of 30 years only. At the age of 30, he left his family, he left his house, and he went on in search of the answer for this question. So he was seeking an answer to the question, how can we get rid of birth and death cycle in this world? After 12.5 years of meditation and hard penance, finally Mahavira found the answer in his question. How he could found this answer? The answer he found was, Mahavira taught the people that when we inflict sorrow on other living beings, we add to our load of sins. Sins bole to papakari. Okay. So when you make others, or when you make others hurt, okay, then automatically it also pricks you. That is a sin what he preached to his disciples, his followers. Therefore, as far as possible, as much as possible, we should avoid hurting any living being on the earth, however small it may be. Okay, it may be a big living being or it may be a small living being, but we should avoid hurting any living being. So, in order to become free from the burden of a previous sin, जो हमारा पुराना जन्म का जो पाप है उससे फ्री होने के लिए we must be austere in the sense we must lead a very pure life, a very simple life, and put our bodies through a lot of hardships, okay, then only we can reach the salvation and we can be out of the previous sins. And we have to perform deep penance. Penance is nothing but tapasya. So in this way, we can be freed from our sins and we can also become liberated from the cycle of birth and death, was the answer he found after 12.5 years of deep meditation by Mahavira. Mahavira kept wandering to spread his teachings among the people. A large number of people began to follow his preaching, and those preachings had become Jainism today. Jainism. Most of the Jains will follow the vegetarian diet, okay. They even doesn't harm to the smallest being also. They take up only the vegetarian food, and the teachings of the Mahavira are followed by these people. So this is how Jainism got practiced and spread all over the country. Now let us see about Gautama Buddha, for which question he tried to find answer throughout his lifetime. Like Mahavira has found answer to the question that how can we get rid of the birth and death cycle, Gautama Buddha tried to find answer for a question, why is there sorrow in this world and how can we attain freedom from this sorrow. Sorrow bolo to kya hai? Gum is nothing but, not GUM gum I am talking about. I am talking about a pain, okay, a grief. So this sorrow, how can this emotion get away from the sorrow? Like Mahavira, Gautama Buddha also was born in a Ganga Sangha, and he found that people everywhere were miserable and in conflict with each other, and they began to think, how can we get rid of this misery? So what answer he found to this question we shall see in the next class, children. Thank you, children.